Let's dive into this explainer and uncover exactly why so many hardworking folks struggle to build wealth. People work incredibly hard every single day, but somehow they still stay completely broke. Why is that? Because no matter how much they actually earn, their bank account always seems to hit absolute zero. It's a relentless trap. You get paid, spend it all, and just wait around to survive again. Society constantly pushes us to spend emotionally on stuff we don't actually need, just to impress others online. Slowly but surely, we buy unnecessary things to keep up appearances, confusing flashy luxury with actual success. The root issue here: schools teach us to work for money, but never how money actually works. Without that financial education, people easily fall right into a massive debt trap that controls their entire life. Soon, as that debt grows, your hard-earned income goes strictly toward paying interest instead of building your wealth. But wealthy people think and spend completely differently. They always focus on appreciation instead of depreciation. Rich people buy assets. These are simply things that generate more money over time, even while you sleep. Assets can be anything from traditional real estate and stocks to digital income streams like YouTube channels. It all comes down to one absolute rule the wealthy understand: your money has to work for you. By investing consistently, compound interest works its magic, turning those small amounts into massive wealth over time. This whole philosophy boils down to three simple, actionable rules you literally need for true financial freedom. It ultimately requires strong habits, strict discipline, and the patience to let your money do the heavy lifting. Getting rich is never about luck, guys. So are you ready to change your habits and your life?
Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a massive concept that completely flips how we view wealth inequality.
Why do most folks stay financially poor? Honestly, the answer isn't a lack of effort. It's hidden systemic structures.
The core thesis is literally jarring. Financial stagnation isn't some accident. It's actually the result of built architectural barriers.
Think about systemic debt or poor financial education. Those aren't personal failures, guys. They're built structures blocking your progress.
These invisible walls, like exclusionary lending and stagnant wages, stand right in the way of building true personal wealth.
It's a crazy divide. Compound interest builds wealth for some, but these barriers guarantee stagnation for most of us.
So, what architectural barriers are blocking your wealth? Time to view your finances through this structural lens.